iOS 17 is now available to download. This new version of Apple's iPhone operating system comes with some amazing new features. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best new features of iOS 17. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Safari gets more private. In iOS 17, Apple continues its focus on privacy by introducing new features to protect user data. Safari now allows multiple browsing profiles for enhanced privacy, and private browsing tabs require reauthorization after 15 minutes to keep them secure when sharing your phone. However, users should remember to enable this feature in settings for full protection. NameDrop your contact info. You can now share your contact details instantly by bringing your iPhone close to another iPhone, and you can create personalized contact posters for a more visual representation. Beta testing showed that sharing contact information, including these posters, was seamless when two iPhones were placed together, akin to the experience of the old Bump app. Before we go any further, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with the world of technology. Group chats get better in messages. Apple has introduced inline replies in messages to simply make it easier to respond to specific messages in large group chats. They have also improved search with multiple filters to help users find what they need in extensive message threads. Furthermore, audio messages in messages now include transcriptions for enhanced accessibility. Voicemails get visual. iOS 17 introduces real-time transcription of incoming voicemails, displayed as text on your lock screen, allowing you to decide whether to answer the call. FaceTime now lets you leave video messages when someone doesn't pick up, with a countdown for recording and the option to redo it. Notably, video reaction gestures also work with video voicemails. Add video effects with gestures. iOS now includes 8 fun effects for video call reactions, such as rain and confetti, which can be triggered through a menu or hand gestures in front of the camera. These effects work well, but require an iPhone 12 or newer, and both hands should be visible on the screen for gesture control to function effectively. Go wild with stickers. iOS 17 enhances the Messages app by offering quick access to all stickers, including third-party ones. You can easily create custom stickers from your photos and add interactive effects for extra appeal. Stickers can be used beyond messages. Standby mode transforms your iPhone. iOS 17 introduces standby mode, which activates when your charging iPhone is placed horizontally. It turns your phone into a clock, calendar, digital photo frame, or information center. Standby mode works best with MagSafe docks and is only available on iPhones with an always-on display, like the iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. Notifications in standby mode are large, so consider disabling previews for privacy. And there you have it. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these features are you most excited to try out on your iPhone? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content, and thanks for watching.